Hi, welcome to the Daxxion training series. So what we'll be doing here through this short little series is walking through the different features that exist within the Daxxion application. We'll show some demos on how to perform inspections through your mobile phone, as well as walk through the web application dashboard so you can see what kind of features and functionality may be available to you if you are, say, an admin or a manager that needs to manage the inspections and your equipment inventory. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and log in here. One thing to note, if you are a user viewing this, your account admin will be responsible for getting you credentials to this login section here. So if you haven't received an email to set up your password, reach out to your account admin and they can get you set up. If you're interested in signing up with Daxxion, there'll be a link in the description of this video on how to log or submit a information form, and one of us will reach out to you directly and help you get an account onboarded and get your equipment into the system and everything that you need here there. So we do an end-to-end service that we offer so that you don't have to do anything other than provide us the information and we will get everything imported into the dashboard for you. So, all right, without further ado, let's jump in and take a look around at the Daxxion application. We'll start first with the web application, and then we'll move to the mobile application shortly after we see kind of what is available to us within the web dashboard.